All right, another day, another build in public. And today was a day. So, in terms of losing 20 pounds, I went to the gym and did arms and back. Pretty sure I took all my supplements and I'm doing a good job today. But the goal of hitting 20K months. So, I'm really excited about this because it really gives validation about where I'm heading. And so, I've kind of realized talk about what you're obsessed about. And so for me, I'm obsessed about automations, AI, and saving time, saving knowledge creators' times by automating their business so they can avoid burnout. And so one of the things that I created recently, we have something called our $9 newsletter database. Clearly $9 if you're looking for a one place to search, track, organize, and store everything, all your content in one place. The newsletter database is for you and it's literally $9. But in any case, I created an add-on to that product, which is an order bump, which actually is our AI content hooks and so our authentic AI content and hooks generator. And so basically in this database, I infused AI into this database where literally you have your newsletter content and you pick the hook and the content template that you want to use, and then you literally press a button and then takes your original newsletter content and uses AI to transform it into the adapted to the content and the hooks that you just selected for it. So literally it's just clicking buttons and you can repurpose content within the click of a button and AI is doing it all for you. So I created an order bump for that in the newsletter database and we got our first sale of that order bump and it just feels so validating because this is the direction that I'm heading, and it feels really good to be validated by money. And so a person just bought that, and I got a sale literally while I was sleeping, and that is what I love. And so I just love that it's something that I love to talk about, and a person bought it. So thank you to that person. In terms of depth and nurture in my friendships and relationships, I actually did a really great workshop today by a person named Colleen, and we took the R types workshop. And so I kind of just realized by the quiz that I took that I'm a royal, meaning that I'm the type of person who likes to take leadership, move things around. I'm a big executor, like I like getting things done, hence leveraging automations to get things done. So that's literally my wheelhouse. And so it was just really great to connect with very strong, powerful women and do this workshop together. So yeah, that's all I have. And that is the status update for the goals that I'm working on. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.